How much does a $350,000 house actually cost you? I wanted to do this calculation just because I wanted people to see what it actually cost when you're paying for a house over the span of 30 years. These are estimated figures. I'm not taking into consideration tax, and I'm not taking into consideration PMI. The home price is $350,000. The loan term, meaning how long you're going to pay for that loan, is 30 years. The interest rate, I took the average of the United States. It could be higher, it could be lower in certain places. It also depends on your credit, but I took just the average. The average is 4.817%. In a conventional loan, you have to pay 3% down. 3% down of $350,000 is $10,500. So the total money that you will actually borrow from the bank is $339,500. Your monthly payment on that amount will be $1,784.73. Just a couple of definitions that we're going to go over. Principal, as defined by Google, is a sum of money lent or invested on which interest is paid. Interest is defined as the amount of money paid for the use of someone else's money. So let's look at the first 5 years. In the first 5 years, you'll pay $78,524.23 in interest. In principal, you'll pay $28,559.57. The remaining loan balance is $310,940.48. In the first 10 years, you'll pay $149,288.36 in interest. In principal, you'll pay $64,879.24. Your remaining loan balance will be $274,620.86. In year 20, you would have paid $258,529.15 in interest. In principal, you'll pay $169,806.05. Your remaining loan balance is $169,694.16. This next slide is very interesting. In year 30, you will have paid $303,000 in interest. In principal, you would have paid $339,500 in principal, which is the actual cost of the house. So in the end, how much did that house actually cost you? The house actually cost you $642,502.48.
Gotcha, bitch.